Bonafide Hustler here, and I think we all kind of like some free things, right? What's going on, guys and gals? Chris the Bonafide Hustler coming to you live from the inside of my office, and today, yeah, there's some free things and I gotta let you know about them. By the way, I'm speaking to you from a free chair that I got at the garage sale about 9 days ago. I'm not even kidding. This chair that I am sitting in is free, and it was in someone's driveway, so I took my old chair, threw it in the dumpster, and now I have this new chair to me, which is fun. Anyways, but yeah, it was free 99. I'm gonna talk to you guys about some free things that are out there, whether you're a beginner, intermediate, whatever. I think some of these things can really benefit you, but these are all free, so you know, there's no cost. Check it out. I think you'll really enjoy it. The very first thing is something that Green Room created about 4 or 5 years ago. 100 amazing items to resell. It's a guide. It's down below. All these things that I'm going to talk about, by the way, I'll put the links down below. Those will be pretty much the only links that you see down below, so you can click whichever one you want if you want the free guide. This one shows you 100 amazing items that you can be, reselling on eBay and Amazon, things like that. So that's a really good guide. Check it out. It's digital, so you can get it pretty quickly. Also, something that's free is something brand new that I created not too long ago. I think I issued it out maybe 3 weeks ago, and so it is 50 profitable used items that you can be selling for cash. That's actually my guide, and that is 100% free as well, so you can go get that in the link down below. That guide's pretty awesome. People really like it behind the scenes. They're just like, everyone loves free, right? In that guide, you're gonna see a lot of really cool things that maybe you weren't thinking about that you can be looking for at thrift stores and garage sales specifically, and you can be making money off those things. So check out that guide. I think you'll really, really enjoy it. And yeah, something else that's free will have to do with that guide, and you'll see what I'm talking about. All right, so what's the third thing that's free? So we have a Green Room meetup as well coming down the line. It's about 3.5 weeks away, something like that. And it's here in Austin, Texas. This will be our 6th year doing the Green Room meetup, and this one is open to the public, whereas most of the ones in the past were really limited to mostly the members and a little bit of the public. This one is 100% open to the public, with the exclusion of one dinner that we are doing just with Green Room members only. But this Green Room meetup this year, yes, open to the public. It's our 6th year doing it. If you haven't been to Austin, Texas, a lot of people love it. It is hot in this town, but we cool it down by doing some really interesting activities. We have some thrifting. We do tacos. We do topios. We do everything. Good food, good eating, amazing, amazing food. I should stress that part. We also make sure to hit the springs. We hit all the really cool eclectic things like bars or breweries. We do things like that, and we also cap it off with that garage sale caravan, which you might have seen in other Green Room meetup videos. So yeah, the garage sale caravans where we just get a massive amount of people and we go hit garage sales in like 10 to 15 cars basically. So a lot of fun. That's coming down the line, and if you need information about that, the most important thing that you can do is actually join the Facebook group that's down below in the link, and that's gonna be the main group where we do all the communication. So if you live in San Antonio or Dallas or Houston or anywhere, kind of close to Austin, Texas, and you are available June 26, 27, 28, and 29, and you wanna meet me, College Picker, Rake and Profit, and you also wanna be around other awesome resellers, I suggest coming down here and checking it out. But the link to that Facebook group is down below. You're gonna wanna join that because that's where all the communication is going down. It's just gonna be a lot of fun. I cannot wait, and this is gonna be a really interesting meetup because this one's open to the public, so you guys can come. It is 100% free. All right, the last free thing I want to talk to you guys about is some concept that I had going down about, well, I've had this concept for about a month in my head, and I issued out the very first piece of this concept about a week ago to my email list. So remember how I said in the beginning of the video that there's something that has to do with getting my free guide, 50, profitable used items that you can be selling for cash. Well, I want you to get that guide. More importantly, that puts you on my email list, which is really cool because once a month, I am putting out a free Cheddar Report. That's what I call it. So Cheddar Report #1 came out last week. Those that got it really enjoyed it. And I'll be making Cheddar Report #2 progressively over the next month. And there's all kinds of cool stuff in the Cheddar Report. I talk about, my best local flip, things to look out for, awesome brands to look out for. I highlight my best comments, my most loyal subscribers, the kind of music that I'm listening to while I thrift and all that kind of stuff. I kind of highlight some cool artists and other relevant reseller things I put in there as well as, and I cap it off with this healthy habits section 2, which kind of explains something that I'm maybe working on in that month or something that is good for my health, basically. So the Cheddar Report's really interesting, and the second one's coming out probably mid this month. So you're gonna wanna get on that list so you can get the Cheddar Report as well, and you'll get the free guide, which is really cool. So that pretty much wraps up this video. Of course, there's tons of free videos on my channel and other amazing reseller channels here on YouTube, but hey, it's all about being free. If you love free things, make sure you hit the like button, and I will see you on the next Bonafide Hustler video. Don't forget to check the links down below for all those things I talked about, and I hope to see you guys at the meetup too. If you can make it, that would be awesome. Take it easy. Goodbye.